Hello again to all my creative beauty enthusiasts. This is Heather from Eye of the Beholder, and today I have a fantastic natural skin cream made with manuka honey and aloe vera. It's restorative day or night cream you will definitely love. It's basically a spin-off on a Pinterest recipe. So I love making my own skincare products because you know they're 100% natural that way. There's no artificial products in there or preservatives or anything unnecessary, just the goodness. If you have not heard of manuka honey, it is grown. You can only find this in New Zealand. The bees get the pollen to make this honey from the same tree that you get the tea tree oil from. And I'm sure you're familiar with tea tree oil and all of its properties that are so great for beauty and skincare and hair and what have you. So this same tree is what the bees pollinate and use to make this honey. And it has to have a UMF factor. Like this is a 15, for example. This honey is like worth its weight in gold. It's probably like more than most illegal exports even. It's so expensive because it's hospital grade, antibiotic, antiseptic, healing properties. So I bought this off Amazon. It was about $38 and I've already broken into it, used it in my teas and what have you. So before it's all gone, because it is so delicious, I would like to use it to make some healing skin cream. And I'm also going to be using aloe vera gel capsules. I'm going to be using cocoa butter that I'm already melting this down in a double boiler right now. It's a solid 100% cocoa butter. Also, I'll be using some castor oil. We have some pistachio oil, which is my new fave right now. This is not only delicious, so good for you, so good for hair, skin. Whoa, my lights are bright today. All right. Then we have coconut oil. So now I'm going to begin with my melted down 100% coconut oil. I'm going to pour it into something I'll be able to fit a mixer into because I'm basically going to beat it like with an egg beater in the end. So something you could comfortably fit an egg beater into it first. Then you could transfer it into a pretty little bottle or whatever it is that you would like. Then you go ahead and you add your coconut oil. I never really measure. I'm just that way. I like to eyeball things. It's around a tablespoon, I'd say, or two. Okay, so that was the entire stick of this. 1 ounce of the coconut butter melted, okay? Let's just do an ounce or so, or a big tablespoon of your coconut oil, extra virgin expeller. And now for the surprise power kick up a notch ingredient, matcha tea. It's Japanese green tea. It has like 10 times the antioxidant properties that regular green tea has. And it comes in a powder form, so it makes it really easy to mix into your skincare. It's a green color, but it doesn't show up on your skin like so. So I'm going to put like half a teaspoon, I suppose, in my mix. And I'm going to make a lot of noise and mix it all up. So this is an antioxidant cream. It's also very healing because of the manuka honey, and the cocoa butter, and the aloe, pistachio oil, coconut oil, your castor oil. I mean, this is just a powerhouse of antioxidants and moisturizers. You could put in your hair even. Oh my gosh. The matcha tea is just, it has caffeine, so it wakes your skin up, and it gets rid of bags under the eyes. And it does look a little oily right now since it's still in its melted state, but I like it. It's giving me like a dewy. Enjoy saving money while creating things that just work so well, so much better than the store-bought items. So give it a try, and please, if you do, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Leave pictures and questions. I will be checking your comments, and I really appreciate you coming back. My name's Heather for Eye of the Beholder, a brand new channel. Please do like and subscribe, be a part of my growth, and I'll see you in the next video.